friends, welcome back to my channel. Tonight's a special night at my house. It is the Christmas craft night of 2018. My friends and I look forward to this every season, and if you are subscribed to me, you know that I normally do this about every season, but I think Christmas is probably our favorite one because, I mean, who doesn't love Christmas? But we have such a good time. I do it a little different every season. Sometimes I do more, sometimes I do less as far as food is concerned. I do ask that everyone bring $5 to help cover the cost. It is a no-profit event for me. It's just giving me an opportunity to share my passion of crafting and creating and having a good time. I'm going to show you how I set up my kitchen just with a few snacks and refreshments. All right, what you're looking here is my kitchen table. I just have a little buffalo plaid large scarf, almost a table runner, just stretched out on the table. And this is a croissant and cream cheese, seasoned cream cheese with some little chopped veggies on there, and it just makes a little wreath. Such a pretty Christmas dessert. This right here is just some hot pepper jelly poured over a block of cream cheese. That's always a big favorite. And if you're interested in knowing what hot pepper jelly I use, it's Braswell's. My Kroger sells it. And over here is just a really cute, I was going to put a little bit of green frosting over it to give it a more tree effect, and I may do that here in a minute. This is just donut holes and toothpicks and little sour cherry candies stuck in a 9-inch styrofoam cone. If you want more details on that, feel free to message me. This is our little snack table, and like I said before, some years I've just done a basket of chips and drinks. There's been some years I've done potluck that resulted in 20-something casserole dishes, and we just did not have room, and half the food didn't even get eaten. So I found that it's just easier for me to provide a couple snacks, keep it simple. Over here on my wet bar, I just have some soft drinks and ice. Over here on my coffee counter, I set up a little hot cocoa bar. I put a little sign there. I have a basket with apple cider, hot cocoa, and cappuccino, and just a few little toppings, some crushed peppermint, salted caramel chips, some marshmallows, cups and stirs and stuff like that. And I'll just keep hot water supplied in my coffee pot. So I think that'll be a big hit since it is a little chilly outside, but not too bad. So I'm going to take you to the garage and show you how I have everything set up. If you followed some of my other craft nights, I pretty much set up the same exact way. Depending on the season, it's kind of my color scheme, and I just kind of go from there. But I always have a table set up here. This is just kind of my supply table. I usually display the project right here. This is a wall hanger that's the black and white buffalo check, and over here is the red and black buffalo check. I think they turned out so adorable, and to be completely honest with you, it's a total copy of something I saw on Pinterest or Etsy or somewhere. I don't even remember where I saw it. I just screenshot it on my phone and thought, oh my gosh, I've got to do that for craft night. As far as decorating the garage, I set this on my last fall craft night. It's kind of like putting lipstick on a pig. You can only jazz up an indoor garage so much. I have quite a collection of seasonal flags, and I just take some thumbtacks and hang them along the sides of the walls. And over here, I have a little clothesline up here that I hang my little garden flags up. I have quite a collection of those and just pick out some of my favorites and display there. My newest one, which I was going to share the end of this month, I found this in a estate sale a few weeks ago for like $1. A huge Santa flag, and the nose is a puffy ball. So cute, love it. I do have a Scentsy burner going with some apple cinnamon and Very Merry cranberry going, and so it really smells Christmassy in here. I'm going to have about 20. We started out with about 23. I think we're down to about 20 now, so that kind of helps on crowd control. But just have the tables with some plastic tablecloth, my little large coffee cans covered in gift wrap with some peppermints and some tea lights. And I usually try to incorporate whatever we're doing for our project. That will be the floral centerpiece for my craft table. So it always serves two purposes. It makes it look Christmassy, and it gives me a place to store the greenery for our project. So it's a great 2-for-1. And I just make sure everybody has a styrofoam plate for their paint, a pencil, and what these are, we're going to have to draw a grid on our door hanger. And so this is Dollar Tree cutting mats that I just put in my trimmer and cut out and give everyone a straight edge to work off of. Just want to give you a peek before everyone gets here. I'll do a few little snippets when everybody gets here and show you what a good time we have.
Friday, you know, Monday, Tuesday's like
Thank you. That's my favorite thing ever. And then you get out, he's like, other than that.